Hey team, how are you doing? And we're back with another Swolefoods review today, and we're going for the big guns today. All right, so today is the Swole range. So the Swole range is the biggest sort of meal package that Swolefoods have. They're usually higher in calories, which is cool. I had a bit of a smaller breakfast today because I knew I was going to be testing this bad boy out today. So this one is Moroccan pork tagine. Okay, hope you can see that right there. All right, so it's blooming weighty. It's 450 grams, so it's like, you know, a good old chunky meal. What is it? Succulent pieces of pork, slowly stewed in chicken stock with raisins, Moroccan-style herbs and spices, served on a bed of soft couscous with cauliflower and green beans. Not sure about you, but that sounds absolutely amazing to me. And that is what it looks like. It's obviously still frozen. Looks like in there, one big pot today. So what do the calories look like on this thing then? So we're looking at about 560 calories. So it is a bit of a weighty meal, okay? So, you know, if you're somebody that is can't eat too many calories on a daily basis, it's because of your size or activity or whatever that is, maybe this meal probably wouldn't be for you, and you'd pick like the active range or the low carb one, which is the lower calorie ones. But it doesn't matter. I mean, either or, it's going to fit into my day for sure. So for me, I eat about 2,000, 2,100 calories a day. This is a quarter of my daily intake, and it's lunchtime, and I've potentially got another, I don't know, 1,000 calories to go for the rest of the day, which is cool. So I'm going to warm this up, and then I'll give you guys a bit of a taste test. Give me a minute. So while I'm waiting for this to cook, it's been on for about 4.5, 5 minutes now. It smells amazing, to be honest. And like I said in another video, if you hadn't seen it, but what I like about this company in particular is that they actually stand by the calories and macronutrients on the back of the packet. Okay, so with most food labels, most companies, there's about well, I don't know, the numbers range, but about a 30%, could be up to 30% discrepancy on the meals that you eat and the food labels that are out there. But what Taz and his company do is that they will do some really good quality assurance on their meals. And what they actually do is they pick meals at random, they send them to the lab, and they get these analyzed, and they get a breakdown of how many calories, proteins, carbs, fats are in those meals. You know, that's one step above. I would say most companies don't do that because it costs money and it costs time. But because they're so sort of, you know, true to their word and there's a lot of integrity in what they do, that's what they do. So when you get these meals, you can be pretty sure that the calories, proteins, fats, and carbs, and everything else to go with it are accurate. I know for a fact that the people in this company actually hand measure this stuff out. They got weighing scales, and they put, you know, the meat in, the potato, the carbs and the vegetables, and they weigh everything that they do. And they go really one step above to what most companies do. So that's one thing I really like about this company. So I'm going to try this out, and I'll give you my honest review. All right, so that took 5 minutes from frozen, and it is very hot again. Okay. All right, so I'll give it a look. So that is what it looks like. All right, so I'm gonna make sure there's no frozen bits in there. Well, that's pretty good. All right, so let's give it a taste test. Cool. So let's have a look. Smells awesome, as the other ones do. I'm gonna try the couscous first. Cool. Some green beans. I'll try a bit of everything in one go. A bit of what's hot. Bit of everything. So you got some raisins in there as well, which can add a bit of sweetness. That's really good. What I was a bit worried about is the pork. Sometimes when you reheat it, it's really dry. This stuff falls apart, succulent. It's quite moist. tastes really, really good. Again, flavor is fantastic. Another 8 out of 10 for me. So if you do want to try these meals, highly recommend you give it a go. With a 10% discount with a code of GY21 for a link down below. Click on the link, use GY21 in the checkout, and you're going to get 10% off these meals when you order. Definitely recommend it if you're a busy person or have no idea what to make for dinner or lunch and you just don't want to cook and weigh food out. These are going to be a lifesaver for you. And again, you know, with 1 or 2 of these a day, you're going to be guaranteed that they're the right amount of calories, the right amount of macronutrients, and it's definitely going to keep you on track with your diet. Okay, so that was it. GY21, link down below. See you in the next video, guys. See ya. Bye.